Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn off your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and apps. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of your games and applications. And here, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. If you go here to the top, you're gonna find games and media. And here, you're gonna find search, settings, and here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, in order to turn off your PlayStation 5, it's pretty easy. All you need to do, guys, is hold click on the PlayStation button or the PS button on your controller. And then once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, in the bottom, you're gonna find home, switcher, modifications, game base, music, downloads and uploads. Here you're gonna find sound, mic, accessories. Here you're gonna find your profile, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find power. So go ahead and click on power. And then once you do that, here you're gonna find enter rest mode, turn off PS5 and restart PS5. So to turn off your PS5, just go here, close all games and apps and turn off your PS5. Select this before unplugging the AC power cord. So go ahead and click on turn off PS5 and then just wait for it to load. As you can see guys, it's preparing to turn off the PS5. And right now, as you can see guys, the PS5 is off. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.